Northeast that's impacting a lot of travel out there. Take a look. San Francisco dealing with delays, Minneapolis, St. Paul also. But the big threat is in the Northeast. Boston, JFK, Newark, also into Philadelphia. We're dealing with a lot of delays here, as much as 130 minutes in Philadelphia. So again, definitely check with your carrier if you have plans to travel in or out of there. A lot of rain. Really, most of the entire state of Maine is covered in some type of precipitation right now. Vermont, New Hampshire also getting some heavy rain. A few showers about to move into Boston as we speak. Not good for your evening commute. Bangor, Augusta, right there along Interstate 95, dealing with some moderate to heavy showers. We've got the severe threat a little out to the west and parts of the Midwest, but very heavy rain, not to be counted out just because you're not in the severe weather threat area. Still some thunderstorms expected in parts of the Northeast, even as we push into Friday. Very heavy rain for parts of Indianapolis. More. Let's go ahead and pinpoint a few of the exact cities we expect to be impacted. Here is a look for this evening. Again, we've got a lot of the moisture coming up from the Gulf, going to start to affect cities like Birmingham, Huntsville, Atlanta, eventually into Chattanooga and Greenville, Spartanburg once we get to the overnight hours. Then as we take a look at Wednesday, because Wednesday definitely looks to be the bigger of the threat for a lot of these areas. You see the bulk of very heavy rain here in parts of Alabama and Georgia, and that looks impressive, but the stronger stuff is actually over here between Little Rock, stretching down to Texas. That's going to push its way east, and when it does, that's where the severe weather is going to ramp up. So that's going to be the area of concern as we go through the day, and then as we push into the evening, it spreads farther east. Tupelo, Mississippi, a 7 on the Torcon. Greatest threat should be late morning and into the evening hours. As we push into Memphis a little bit earlier, we're talking late morning into the afternoon hours, but equally as great of a threat with a 7 on the Torcon as well. Your hour-by-hour breakdown shows we have a lot of thunderstorms expected off and on throughout the day. Dave? Than it would be in Los Angeles. Incredible on Christmas.
Seriously cold in the West. Yep. Well, I'll tell you what, it's a wild week, and coming up, we'll show you how the severe threat could have a big impact on holiday travel and the region that's already dealing with their